at Vijay Chowk, and it's a sunny day, and we're going to see a very, very heated debate in the parliament as well. 8 hours have been allotted for discussions on Waqf. Remember, over the last few months, we've seen some fiery takedowns coming in time and again from the opposition leaders. Many of the opposition leaders also indulging in a lot of fear-mongering over what the bill will bring in. The amendment part of the Waqf bill will be tabled in the parliament today. That is expected at 12 noon. 8 hours of discussion being allotted to it. The speakers have been decided already on both sides, and it's expected to be a fiery showdown. But even before the decision was taken and the date had been decided by the government, there had been claims coming in from the opposition leaders as well on what could be expected. Remember, over the last few days, we've heard different forms of fear-mongering from many of the opposition leaders, from saying that if the amendment bill is brought in, then mosques and dargahs are going to be targeted, from saying that vote bank is going to teach a lesson to those who bring in the Waqf amendment bill. These are the claims that are being made by many of the opposition leaders. First up, let's get you what some of the leaders have been saying at 12 noon today, in just a few hours from now, the tabling of the bill in the parliament.
देखिए, अपोजिशन पार्टी की कोई स्ट्रेटजी नहीं है। अपोजिशन पार्टी मुस्लिम्स को, अल्पसंख्यक को केवल वोट बैंक समझती है। तो पहले इस बिल को देखें और इस बिल पर डिस्कस करें। ये जेपीसी की रिपोर्ट के बाद अमेंडेड बिल आ रहा है, तो इससे केवल राजनीति कर रहे हैं। जो पहले से बिल अभी आया नहीं, जंतर मंतर पे धरना कर चुका, पटना जा चुका, और अजमेर शरीफ के सज्जादा नसीन नसरुद्दीन चिश्ती ने इस अमेंडेड बिल को कहा कि गरीब मुसलमानों के हक में है, पसमानदा मुसलमानों के हक में है, खवातीन या बच्चों के हक में है, उसको ये इमरान मसूद दलाल कह रहा है। कांग्रेस पार्टी किसी मुस्लिम इलाके में घुस नहीं पाएगी।
So there you heard it. The opposition leaders have been saying that these changes are going to affect the Muslim community. The government, though, has clarified time and again. And remember what has happened. In just the last 48 hours, we've seen support for the amended bill coming in from the chief of the Ajmer Dargah, the Bishop Council, in fact, the Church of Bharat as well. There are many Christian communities as well as those from the Muslim community who have come out in support of the bill. And yet, the fear-mongering around it has only continued. In fact, many of these opposition leaders have also said that those who are supporting the Waqf Amendment bill are those who are dalals, or they are giving into the political ideology of the BJP. We are going to break down what the Waqf Amendment bill is going to bring in, how it brings in accountability. The government says that accountability is going to come in as well. Before that, let's get you some more reactions coming in.
मैं इस विधेयक का स्वागत करता हूं और हमारी पार्टी की ओर से, हमारे जनता दल यूनाइटेड की ओर से इस विधेयक का समर्थन में, और हमारे जितने सांसद हैं उन्हें व्हिप जारी करके निर्देश दिया गया है कि वे 2, 3 और 4 इस अप्रैल को सदन में उपस्थित रहेंगे और वो सरकार का समर्थन करेंगे।